Okay, let's have a look at three methods of doing highlighting within the Power PDF product. So with the PDF open, go to the comments, and then under comment directly underneath you'll see highlight. And the first option is to highlight an area, at which point I can scrape over a bit of text or down multiple lines, and it will scrape the text or highlight the text from where I started to where I release the cursor, and there is a block of text that has been highlighted. The second option is to highlight area, and so it might be this section I just wanted to highlight, to call out for some reason, at which point I've highlighted that text, and as per the first highlighting, it's popped up the highlight area tool, and I can use this tool to actually change color. I can change the opacity to make it a little bit more bold. I can bring it back out to make it a little bit softer again. So those are the first two ways of highlighting text within a document, or highlighting an area within a document. The third way is not so intuitive because it's not called highlight, it's actually called pencil. So we can use the pencil to highlight an area using a freeform type drawing. So I've just drawn a circle, and when I release, it pops up, and I could put a note there. I'm going to close the note out, and you can see it's converted that to the defaults that I've set for my pencil, which looks very much like a highlight. And the way that I've achieved that is I've set my drawing tool to a yellow color. I've set the opacity down, and I've set the line width to 8 point. So let me just revert it back to a pencil style. So that is, I've changed the line width down to 1 point, I've changed the color back to black, and I'm going to change the opacity all the way back up there. So out of the box, if you use the draw tool, you'll see your drawing like that. And just to show you how I change that, I could change that to an orange this time. I use about an 8 point. You could actually go bigger. You could go all the way out to a 12 point or even more. When you apply that, you'll see it's bold, it's block. It stops you seeing what's underneath. So this is where the opacity tool really comes into effect, and I can bring that down and make it a lot softer. And we then have that set as a drawing tool. So if I then go down and I go back to comment, click on pencil, I can again draw a circle around an area, and that has then popped up and it's applied the default that I have set. So there are three ways to use highlighting. So a freeform pencil drawing, highlighting a block of text, and highlighting an area. I hope this helps. Thanks.